All ministers designates have been approved by Parliament with majority votes from the NPP and the NDC. 145 members of Parliament out of the 275 have voted to approve ministerial nominees by the President of the Republic of Ghana, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. The 6 nominees whose fates were determined were Katie Hammond. Sababano ase Ghana for na emrantie de mabai wa ye try se kubeti no. Abana na pompo wa paro.
87.9.
No. Is a minister for trade and industry ala meboa. Ena Brana Champon. Ekwa minister in charge of food and agriculture. Stephen Asamoah Boateng Asabi. Minister in charge of chieftaincy and religious affairs. Obi Amwa, a Minister of State for local government, decentralization and rural development. And now Dr. Mohammed Enim Anta, a Minister of State in charge of finance. And now Sticker, the almighty Sticker, is also member of parliament. My MP, your MP, is now the Deputy Minister in charge of trade and industry. Thank you very much. So that is the breaking news. MPs no gaga mu koyi na no obi na atrama no obatrama omo se omo eyede enkoko occupy position. It is here no pam no twa no enya aba enya ajo. Now so they have all been accepted despite the rejection threats. And then of course I'm going to review to you name course room. And them kiti bi a course ne na sefo yina no. What do you say?
Akoma FM 87.9.
NDC nominees almost finally